In today's deadline-driven construction industry, prefabrication offers one of the most innovative and efficient ways to safely build to the highest levels of quality. And no one knows more about prefab than T.G. Gallagher, New England's mechanical construction and maintenance services leader for over 70 years.
The mantra when we get a project is not what can we prefab, but is there anything we can't. The concept of prefab is to take all the individual parts and pieces that were normally stick-built in the field, bring them into a fab shop and do it as a component. And we're taking a 7 or 8 step field process, bringing it to the shop, so when it does go out to the field, it's a 2-step process. And because of that, we've now grown into a 40,000 square foot facility, which we opened in December of 2013.
Their ingenuity and their thought process and what they're doing is really helping construction managers like ourselves, Consigli, really move the prefabrication process forward.
We're prefabbing all our piping assemblies for all 3 trades, HVAC, plumbing, fire protection. We've introduced our sheet metal subcontractors. We've brought our control subcontractors up so we can pre-wire controls and mount them on various pieces of equipment like VAV boxes and fan coils.
Now, instead of having piles and piles of copper pipe on the floor, boxes of fittings, things being lost, people tripping over things, with the prefab, like I said, it comes in on a rack, it's mobile, it's on wheels, and it goes in one day and we move on.
Normally we would have to lay our hangers out, install the hangers, cut the hangers, and then start laying out each individual line. When this gets built in a controlled environment already for us, we can place everything where everything goes and basically start piecing a puzzle together. Taking it from the floor and putting it in, it takes less than half the time.
You could come out, I could be on a site on a Monday, have nothing in the ceiling, come back out on a Tuesday, and by the end of the day, half of the corridor is completed. The construction's done.
Using the latest technology, T.G. Gallagher's skilled craftsmen closely coordinate their efforts with field foremen to ensure that every customer requirement is met.
First stage would be to detail the drawings. The detailer will take the drawing, put all the small pieces, parts and pieces in, such as the hangers, nuts, bolts, and then measure everything out, get a list of materials. With that list of materials and the drawing, we'll go over to one of the tradesmen who will start the assembly of the rack.
And then they'll feed it into production, and then the guys will go out and build however many of these units we need, whether it be 5, 10, or 250 or 300.
They can send the prefab out, labeling, insulation, hangers. Most of it's already been tested, so you don't have to worry when you go to test and get, rushing to get an inspection.
With T.G. Gallagher Prefabrication, construction managers improve safety and quality while decreasing waste and simplifying site logistics. Their projects are successful. Their satisfaction is assured.
A crew that maybe typically would be 15 to 20 guys may only need to be 6 guys because a lot of the work has been done.
It's taking men off ladders, it's not running extension cords, and it's reducing safety hazards on the project, as well as taking all the waste from all those parts and pieces and handling it here at our facility, recycling and reusing whatever we can. It feeds right into the lean culture we're trying to work towards.
We're giving them a very quality product, same way we would have done if it was stick-built in the field. We're giving it to them in a faster manner, we're giving it to them in a safer manner, and it gives them their space sooner. And who wouldn't want their space sooner?
Innovative and efficient, T.G. Gallagher is always evolving, employing new lean processes and advanced ideas to meet client needs and continually lead the way.
The goal of every project we do is to make our clients' life easier, and that's really the biggest benefit of prefab.